going on, guys? Today we're doing the hot nut challenge video taste test and review. Okay, guys, we got fucking hot nuts. They're made by Taki, right? Okay, look, Taki hot nut Fuego. They're fucking so good, man. They're so fucking good. I love nuts. I love edible nuts. Okay, guys, we're gonna get right into it. Okay, no need to spin a fidget spinner. There's no need. We can just spin the fucking Taki hot nuts Fuego. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay, we're gonna give it a sniff test review, okay, guys? And we're gonna rank it out of 10, okay, guys? Ready? Are you guys ready? Okay. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, I'd rank this a fucking 11 out of 10. 11 nuts out of 10 nuts, okay, guys? This is some really nutty nuts. Fucking hot nuts. This is some hot nuts. Fucking nutty nut. Fucking nutty nut. What the fuck? Fucking 11 nutty nuts. 11 nutty nuts. This is fucking 11 nutty nut video. Okay. And okay, guys, this is the nut review, okay? You're gonna like inspect the nut. You can see dirt underneath my nails. Don't look at that, guys, okay? Please don't. That's some pretty nuttage. That looks like a nutty nut right there. What the fuck even is a nutty nut? Lucas? The nutty nut taste test review. Okay, guys. Also, too, I just want to clear the air here. No alcohol was involved in this video. we're just pure out of boredom. Okay, guys. Okay, let's go. Nutty nut review. Not even really spicy. Yeah, I'm switching in. But yeah, these are pretty good. Ooh, I got a canker sore in my mouth, and this really hurts it. Probably. Yeah, so, okay, guys, these get a fucking 9 out of nutty nuts, okay? They had a better sniff score than fucking food score. Okay, guys? No, I'd honestly give them a 10 out of nutty nuts review. I give them a 10 out of 10 nutty nuts, okay, guys? Okay, guys. Nutty nuts, okay? That probably looks so fucked. What the fuck, man? Here, end of it. Okay, guys. Ready for the nutty nut review? Okay, guys? Okay.
This is wow, I know. We grab wow, I know your view. That's right. No, it's okay, right? Okay, okay. Joe, this was Sarah. Okay. Then writing out mouse. On the taste test review. Taran. On the sniff score. Rara. No, Iron. My red town, not red. Iron. Overall texture, how much? Not you should do it. That's how it's 7. Splice selector. 30. Okay, Rose. Could you guys win the next one? Please.
Okay, ready? Okay, guys. This one's for real.